Yes, I tried to love her. I'm not, because hanggang ngayon, Grace, ikaw pa rin ang mahal ko eh. I love you so much. This whole time, I love you. Ikaw na ang babae, mamahalin ko sa buong buhay ko, Grace. I know that. I tried. Hindi ko magawa eh. Sa iba, I love you. I love you.
Matthew.
Grace, hey, come on. Okay. Sinubukan ko na lahat eh. Okay, I tried to forget you. I tried everything. I tried to distract myself. Di ko magawa eh, Grace. Wala na ako ibang babae pa mamahalin pa. Sa buong buhay ko, Grace, ikaw na. Okay? Hindi kaya mo wala. Sa ospital, there was explosions, things happening everywhere. I was so scared. Akala ko anong mangyayari. Baka naipit ka, nasaktan ka. Baka mamaya akala ko, I was still the worst case. Baka namatay ka na. I can't lose you. And the funny thing is, you're not even mine to begin with. You're not mine anymore. Hindi ka na sa akin, pero hindi pa rin kita kaya mo wala, Grace. Kahit alam ko, ikakasal ka na, magkakaanak ka na sa iba, Grace, na mahal.